Cable clips are a handy solution for routing cables during installation. Due to their plastic construction, they won't damage, slice, or nick the cable while being installed and are resistant to impact. This clip can hold a single coax cable and has a pre-installed screw, which makes it quick and easy to put in place. Cable clips come in black, gray, or white. By using cable clips, we can route the cable in the exact path we need. This keeps our installation neat and exact. To use, route the cable along the desired path. Insert the clip over the cable and screw it into your installation surface. For all of your installation needs, choose Show Me Cables.